Hey everybody, he's Marshall of Mellow Nomadic Adventures.
And this is Ron with Ron Sees America.
So M22's a wrap and we had a great time. First and foremost, I want you to know that we do a live block of shows every first Friday of every month. The next one will be October 7th. I'd like you to be there. And about M22, more from Marshall.
M22 is coming to an end and we're gonna have a lot of great recap content coming out. Photos, short videos from multiple channels. There will be a playlist so you can go through and watch all the videos and content from M22. Us along with Fit for Expedition Fun Seekers.
Forward man Kenny Oak is our co-host all the way through the block and he'll be there as well.
Shout out to Forward man Kenneth Oaks and
look we're getting photo
and I know I'll be watching.
That's Jan from Rob and Jan Can Van. If you're not connected, go connect with them and
check them out. Watch for those short videos and pictures and all that on Instagram and all that before the show and during the show. First Friday's live, October 7th, Friday, 8 p.m. Central Time. Be there or be square.
Thanks.